Hi, today we are going to solve count digits problem in Java. So, given a positive integer n, count the number of digits in n that divide n evenly without leaving a remainder. Finally, return the total number of such digits. A digit d of n divides n evenly if the remainder when n is divided by d is 0. Digits of n should be checked individually. If a digit is 0, it should be ignored because division by 0 is undefined. So from this we can understand that the given input is a given integer which will be stored in n variable, and the output should be the count of the number of digits that divide the given number, and that should not leave a remainder, which is the remainder should be 0. So to do this, first we need to take each digits from the given number, and then we need to check whether the digit is not equal to 0, because if we divide the number by 0, then that will be undefined. So we need to check whether the digit is not equal to 0, and then we move on to check whether the given number is divided by the digit. If that digit divides that number without leaving any remainder, then we should add 1 to the count. So let's try to program this logic into code. First, we need to declare a variable to store the count of each digits. So let it be count, and let's uh, let it be 0, since there is no count at the beginning. And then we need to store the given number in another variable. Let it be num, because to take each digit, uh, we can take it by last digit. Like when we do modulo of the given number by 10, we will get the last digit as a remainder. With that, we can check whether the given number is divisible by the digit or not. And then we need to remove the last digit of the given number by dividing that number by 10. So we might lose the original given number value, so that we are storing it in a new variable. And we also need to declare a variable to store the digit of the given number. So let it also be 0. Now we need to loop through the digits of the given number. So let's use while loop, while n not equal to 0, because when we divide the given number by 10 in each iteration, finally it will give the finally the n will be 0. So when n becomes 0, we need to end the loop process. That's why we are giving n not equal to 0 here. Now we need to find the digit in the given number. To take the digits, we need to divide the number, we need to do modulo of the number by 10. This will store the last digit of the number in digit. And then now we need to check whether the digit is not equal to 0, and also we need to check whether the digit divides the given number. That is modulo of that of number by digit should become 0. If that is 0, then we can say that digit divides that number. So if these two conditions become true, then we need to increase the count variable by 1, and then we need to remove the last digit of the n variable. To do this, we need to divide the n variable by 10 in each iteration, and finally we need to return the count of digits that divides the n. So let's try to run this code. Yes, it worked. Thank you.